Hello children and welcome to my channel. In this video we will understand the chapter Nutrition in Plants for class 7. At the end of this video you will be able to explain Autotrophic Nutrition in plants, Heterotrophic Nutrition in plants. So let's start. The process of taking food and its utilization by the body is called nutrition. The living organisms show two modes of nutrition, autotrophic mode and heterotrophic mode. So first we understand about autotrophic. Autotrophic nutrition is the process by which an organism produces its own food. So example, green plants. We know plants are autotrophs and the process by which green plants prepare their own food is called photosynthesis. Children, plants convert light energy into chemical energy through the process of photosynthesis. So this is autotrophic nutrition. Now let's discuss about heterotrophic nutrition. Most plants on earth are green, but there are certain plants which do not contain chlorophyll, neither in their leaves nor in any other part. Such plants are called non-green plants, and non-green plants unable to manufacture their own food. These are called heterotrophic plants. They are dependent on others for food. Heterotroph plants are of four types: parasitic plants, saprophytic plants, insectivorous plants and symbiotic plants. So let's discuss about all these. Parasitic plant. The non-green plants which obtain their food from other living organisms are called parasitic plants. Example, cuscuta. Cuscuta is a leafless and rootless plant. It entangles itself around the host plant and derives food from it. Always remember, the living organisms from which the parasitic plant derives food is called host. Now let's understand saprophytic plant. The plants which grow and live on dead and decaying organic matter are called saprophytic plants. These are the common examples of saprophytic plants. Now we have to discuss about mushroom. A mushroom is also a fungus. Its mode of nutrition is saprophytic. A mushroom is an edible fungus. However, not all the varieties of mushroom are edible. During rainy season, you may see white patches developing over leather item. These white patches are also fungi, and all these are examples of saprophytic plants. Insectivorous plants. We all know that different animals eat different organisms, but have you ever seen or heard of plant-eating animals? There are some plants which feed on insects. Such plants are called insectivorous plants. The plants which eat animals, particularly insects, are called insectivorous plants or also carnivorous plants. These are green colored and prepare their own food. They eat insect because they grow in areas where nitrogen is lacking in soil. Example, pitcher plant. Now let's see how the pitcher plant eat insect. Each leaf is modified into a pitcher-like structure with a lid on the top. Hair are present inside the pitcher. When an insect sits on the pitcher, the lid closes to trap the insect. It gets entangled in the hair of the pitcher and is killed by the digestive juices secreted inside the pitcher. In Venus flytrap also, each leaf consists of two lobes. The inner surface has short stiff hair and it's reddish in color to attract insect. The moment an insect touches the hair, the lobes mesh up together to trap it. Symbiotic plants. The plants which live in association with the other plants and share shelter, nutrients are called symbiotic plants. This association between two different plants is called symbiotic relationship. Some examples of symbiotic associations are the association between a green algae and a non-green fungus. Simply you can understand where two organisms benefit from each other by sharing their resources and shelter are known as symbiotic relationship. Lichen is an example of a symbiotic relationship between a green or blue-green algae and a fungus. Thank you for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe.